So as you can tell, it's a very cold, wet, and rainy day today. I actually had some ideas for videos, but unfortunately, because of this weather, we can't do that. So instead, we're gonna go for a drive in the M3. Now, if you guys don't know, there's actually a hurricane, I think like really hitting Florida right now, but New York is kind of getting affected. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of rain. By the way, cold start. Not bad. We're gonna have a whole bunch of rain for the next few days. So unfortunately, guys, we're gonna be a little limited in terms of content. By the way, I'm just realizing that recycling bin right there is in our way of getting out. Terrific. So before I keep on going, I just want to take a moment to thank the video sponsor. That is, of course, Simply Carbon Fiber. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Simply Carbon, they make a whole bunch of cool stuff. Anything from phone cases. You guys can see this thing looks absolutely sick. It is made out of real forged carbon fiber, has all those like little red flakes inside. And this does, of course, come in a whole bunch of different colors. And of course, they all have the forged carbon, which honestly, guys, this is by far my favorite thing that I have from them. So if you can only get one thing, this is the one I would definitely recommend. But if that's not your style, one to actually make the phone case in normal carbon as well if you don't like the forge. And if you also want, they have this really cool slim wallet. This is something else I use constantly. It holds up to 7 cards right over here, and it also has a money clip on the back over here for your cash, which I barely carry around because I'm kind of broke, but that's besides the point. This thing is also really cool though. You guys can see the real carbon there in the sunlight. Just look at this. Here's the real carbon on the M3, and here's the carbon on the Simply Carbon wallet. So if you guys want this wallet or the phone case or the normal carbon phone case or anything else that they have, there's actually a promo code for you guys to use to get an additional discount. So go check it out. I'll leave it in the description as well as the pinned comments. That way you guys can also save some money. So thank you to Simply Carbon. But with that said, we're gonna take the M3 out for a drive in this rain. But before we even do that, we have to get rid of this thing, which someone threw poop inside. Thanks, guys. Throw poop inside a recycling bin. That's smart. By the way, if you guys did happen to miss my most recent video about this custom steering wheel, which by the way, I absolutely love, go check it out. It was definitely a good one. It sounds silly, but it makes this car so much more fun to drive. This steering wheel feels more like a race car steering wheel. The Alcantara, the flat bottom, the red racing stripe, even this LCI look just looks so much better than the previous one. So again, huge shout out to Inline 6 Auto. If you guys do want one, I'm telling you, this is the cheapest way to get it. I know you're not gonna maintain your heated steering wheel and the vibration thing, but like, who cares? Honestly, like a car like this, unless you're maybe really daily driving it, you know, totally up to you, but this is such a great way to get it. And then also, like I said, guys, thankfully I haven't had any codes, which I was really worried about. Yeah, I absolutely love this thing. I love it so much. With the knee pads, with this thing right over here, such a cool look with the ivory. But anyways, with the M3 at this stage, all there's really left to do is just enjoy the car. You know, like we've done so much to it, but we really just gotta enjoy it. Someone mentioned that I should do a road trip. I would actually love to. Maybe if Styx and JD are down, we can do like a mini road trip. Don't know to where, but we'll definitely do one. I am still on the hunt for another car, by the way, guys. So I'm looking like all over the country. So who knows, if I find one in a different state or something, we can probably do that. By the way, if I'm not pushing it right now, it's just because, you know, the tires are cold. It's actually a pretty chilly day, even though we're in August, and there's obviously rain all over the place. But still going for a cruise is still plenty fun. I don't feel the need to constantly rip my cars around to enjoy them. You guys knew we couldn't go this whole POV without at least pushing it a little bit. Oh, I didn't even have it in M mode. I didn't even realize. My bad, guys. Here, let's put it in. Let's just be stupid. Ooh, really feeling that rear wheel drive. Is that a 428 Grand Coupe? I still have a soft spot in my heart for the 4 Series. Oh man, yeah, 2-wheel drive definitely gets a little more sketchy, but driving in manual, the downshifts, oh, so satisfying. Yeah, the difference when I launched it in all-wheel drive versus 2-wheel drive is crazy. Oh, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. boy. Oh, by the way, something I never mentioned, that E46 M3 I made the video about. A lot of people have been commenting, even still, now people are watching that video and commenting on it. Guys, I decided not to get that M3. Reason being, it was just way too much work. I felt like I was gonna get way over my head. You know, I want a rebuild or a refresh, but that one was just, it was a little too much. Just the rust and the paint alone kind of worried me. I think it was a great car. You know, Felix is a great dude. He was super honest, and I really appreciate him doing that. You know, so shout out to Bav Life, but you know, that just wasn't the car for me. I'm not the guy to do that. As you guys know, YouTube is not my full-time career. I keep on forgetting that it's all right, let's put this back in efficient mode or comfort mode. You know, it's not my full-time career, so I would have to restore that car on the weekends after work. And I'm also still a husband and a father of 2, so I really don't have that much time to dedicate. But on other cool news, we're gonna be heading over to Keys again, and we're gonna be modifying one of the cars. Now, you can probably guess which car it is. If you guys can't guess, you'll just have to wait and find out. But I think it'll be really cool and really exciting. So we'll probably do like a vlog about that whole thing. Guys, look who just pulled up. Sticks, AKA Sticks. What do you think about the steering wheel?
It looks so nice,
right?
It looks so much better in person. What the heck?
That's what I'm saying. And it feels, bro, it feels like cool. Yeah, hold on, you want to get inside real quick?
Yeah, I need to get a freaking steering wheel, bro. Damn, this is nice.
Hit up inline 6 auto.
Yeah, no, damn, this is nice,
right? Doesn't it just feel more like a race car?
Is it bigger? It looks bigger.
No, it's not bigger. It's just, it feels thicker, and then you got the flat bottom.
This is fire. What the heck?
Bro, I love it. It's legit become like one of my favorite mods on the car. And then like with the Alcantara over there, and then yeah, in the middle and all that, I think it looks sick. Anyways, we gotta focus on your car.
My car is broken, bro. Forget that thing, bro.
Sorry, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. But anyways, I'm gonna help out Stick, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. But if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you drop it a like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, if you guys enjoy these more chill videos, man, just let me know. I'll definitely do more of them because they don't cost me as much money. I
was about to ruin your video by starting the car, but your key's not even in here.
Oh, is it not?
No. I said, let me ruin his video.
Sorry, I threw that right on his That sounds good. Shout out to Open Throttle for the single mid pipe. But anyways, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.